Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we'll look at the delete operation on the same entity. What I'll do is first I'll stop uh, the application. Let's start with our controller function as we always do. So instead of put mapping, there is again an annotation delete method known as delete mapping. Okay, and let's try to delete it, with the ID. Okay, so what we are going to do is uh, let's send that ID as a request parameter, okay, like in the case of get, which we did, uh, the path variable, and let's call this the ID. A delete user function which we need to create, passing the user ID. Okay, so from the controller, mostly we are done. We will keep the string data type only as the response data type. Let's go to the service class. Let's quickly create the delete user function. Delete users, integer, is the ID. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we will find if that user with that ID exists. Okay. And if yes, we delete it. Okay. So again, we have to use the injected user repository object dot find by ID, pass the user ID. Okay. And when we find it, send it basically gives us the entire user. Okay. That's also, so it is giving us this error. Required type is user provided hello world user. There is already a function get user ID. Let's use that only. Okay. Now user dot have to the repository object dot use in that delete we send the user object. Okay. First we check like we did in the case of get if the user exists. So if it is not known, that means the user exists. Then we can try to delete it. Okay. Else we return user or form. Okay. And here we return related successfully. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Meanwhile, let's create the delete user endpoint uh, in our Postman. Okay. So this will be of type delete, and we're going to pass the ID. There will be encoding. So we can just remove this. Header is also not required. Let's remove that. And let's change the name to delete user. Okay. Let's save the endpoint. Okay, that's it. Hopefully, Tom could we have started on port 8080. So yes, it has started. Let's go ahead and uh, try to delete this user with the ID 7, okay, because it exists. User deleted successfully. So yes, user is not there in the database. Now let's try this again. User not found. Okay. So both our conditions are working. So now we have completed the entire CRUD uh, operation, creating a record in the database, updating a record, reading a record, and deleting a record from the database with Spring Boot. Okay. Um, Hope these video tutorials are informative for you. I would recommend doing the coding side by side as you watch the video. Try to do the coding yourself um, so that you can learn on the go. Um, so yes, I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, uh, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Uh, for the code, link is there in the description. And if you need any help in building large scale software solutions or AI automation solutions, you can get on a quick consultation call. Again, link is there in the description. So until next time, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.